Cooking with Tia. Today I'm going to be making shrimp Rangoon, or the other one is crab Rangoon. And here's what I have. This wonton skin wrapper from Walmart. Any cream cheese. I like Philadelphia cream cheese. And then I have shrimp. If you don't have shrimp, you can also use imitation crab meat. I'm going to chop this up into little chunks, cubes. And we have green onions, egg to seal the wrapper, and then a teaspoon of sugar and a 4 teaspoon of salt. And today I want to show you how a quick guide just to wrap the wonton wrapper to make it stick so it doesn't fold. You don't want all that mushy cream cheese to come out. So I'll show you that. And then the other thing is when you fry it twice so that the cream cheese stays in, doesn't come out. That's the whole 2 things I want to tell you about. Okay, let's get started. I got cooked fresh shrimp. You can buy ones already cooked, but I just cooked this and chop it. And for 2 to 3, probably that's enough shrimp. That's just way too much shrimp. It's gonna be a shrimp instead of a cream cheese Rangoon. Okay, I'm gonna use 3 blocks of cream cheese. I'm gonna go ahead and add my shrimp. Onions. If you like it sweeter, you can add a little bit more sugar, whatever, to taste. Now I got the potato masher. Mash it. All I really need is cream cheese, salt and sugar. Here's your cream cheese. It's mixed up right here. I kind of want to taste it. Let's see, just a little bit. Okay, that's good enough. Just mix a little bit more. Now these are going to be, I think, kind of a mini, thin one. Let's get over. Here it is. It's kind of a thin, small one. So I'm just going to put a grab a small section about that much. See, not too much. And then when you wrap it, see how it's kind of toward an angle? Put it towards you and fold it in. And when you fold it in, it should look like a kind of a flower shape, I say. And put an egg in between. These are going to be mini shrimp Rangoon. Right there. 1 teaspoon, scoop a teaspoon. Kind of dab in the middle, and see, it goes in the corner. Just push it in. Last one. Even if you put it in squares, if you don't know how to fold it, let's say you can move this around. It wiggles, so if you can have, see, they'll look like little ears, I would say, kind of pointy ears. Okay, ready? I think it's good enough. That's a tester. It's a little bit too high, but kind of on a medium. Once it starts getting brown, take it out because you're going to recook it twice. See how it doesn't, so all that stuff doesn't come out. Take long. It just take a couple of seconds, minutes, not even then. Squish them all. And kind of a medium low. I mean, if you want to eat it like that, it's fine too, but I tend to let it cool down and kind of reheat it again so all that doesn't come out, so it doesn't all smush out, all the cream cheese smush out. Or if you want to save it, this is the best way to save it for next day. Say, oh, I don't want to eat it. I want to get some fresh crab rangoon tomorrow or a couple days while it's in the refrigerator. So you should. Then I'm going to take these out, because that's fine. Even if it's this, it holds its form, it's fine. So I'm going to reheat it. This is what I really want it to look like. This is fried, first round, kind of if you want to save it for later. Just a little bit crispy. And kind of let it cool down, maybe 10-15 minutes. And then just reheat it up again to eat. And here's the one where my oil got hot. This one's like if you're ready to eat. See? And it come out.